I recently stayed at the Gyle, London St. Pancras, and I am going to give my honest thoughts about it. For the best price for this hotel, check out the links in the description.
Arrival and check-in experience.
When we arrived, the staff greeted us with such warmth, making us feel right at home from the get-go. They were super helpful, even letting us drop off our bags early so we could explore London without any hassle. The check-in process was a breeze, quick and efficient, which was awesome after our journey. It was a really smooth start to our stay, setting a great vibe for the whole trip. Room, bathroom, and the amenities.
The room was super cozy and had this cool modern vibe, even if it was a tad on the smaller side. I really dug the unique design of the bathroom separation, and those toiletries they provided were top-notch. Plus, having a flat-screen TV and air conditioning made chilling out after a long day of exploring London seriously comfortable. And let me tell you, that shower was absolutely amazing, perfect for washing off all the city grime.
The location and surroundings. The location of this place is seriously unbeatable, like right near St. Pancras and King's Cross, which made getting around London super easy. I loved that even though it's so central, the street outside felt really chill with all the trees around. It was awesome to be able to just walk out and be right in the thick of things, but still come back to a quiet spot. Honestly, it's perfect for exploring the city without feeling overwhelmed. Food, drinks, and dining options. When it comes to food, I had a pretty good experience. They have a bar, which is always nice for a nightcap. The breakfast was a simple continental style, but honestly, it hit the spot, and the coffee was really good. I did see some reviews mention that the breakfast might be a bit basic for some, but for me, it was just right and got me fueled up for the day. Plus, they even offer gluten-free options, which is a thoughtful touch. What's it like to stay here? Staying here, I felt super relaxed and well taken care of, especially with the staff being so friendly and always ready to help out. The whole vibe of the place was really positive, and it was awesome to come back to such a comfortable and clean room after a day of running around. Even though it's an old building, they've done an amazing job renovating it with a cool Scottish flair, making it feel both charming and modern. I really enjoyed the quiet atmosphere, which is a huge plus in central London, and honestly, I'd totally recommend it to anyone looking for a great spot to stay. Let's take a look at the pros and cons. Here's what I liked about the hotel. Awesome location. It's super close to St. Pancras and King's Cross, making it easy to get around London. Super friendly staff. Everyone was really helpful and made me feel welcome from the moment I arrived. Comfy and modern rooms. The rooms are cozy with a cool design, and the shower was amazing. Great amenities. Having a bar, free Wi-Fi, and air conditioning made the stay really comfortable.
Here's what I disliked about the hotel.
No elevator. Hauling luggage up the stairs was a bit of a workout, especially since there's no lift. My overall rating for this hotel would be 9.1 out of 10. So, would I stay here again? Absolutely, without a doubt. This place was such a gem, super convenient, really comfortable, and the staff were just fantastic. Even with the stairs, the overall experience was so positive that I'd totally book it again for my next London trip. Thanks for watching. I added links from all hotel booking providers in the description so you can find the best price for this hotel. Make sure you check out the description below.